Coming upon some new scenery now as I continue walking clockwise on the loop trail.
Time 3 hours, 52 minutes, 49 seconds. Distance 6.58 miles. Average speed 1.69 miles per hour.
Just over 6.5 miles now, so it should be about 5 to go. Of course, several of those are going to be strenuously uphill, but it's nice knowing that I'm over the hump of the halfway point and continuing to get spectacular new scenery as I continue. Just amazing the contrast with the greenery on the cliffs, and then you get into the ash fallout zones here, and there's not a single green thing in sight. Just amazing. Absolutely loving this day. .245, coming up on the next junction. This should be the end of the loop trail for me and the start of an unnamed spur trail that goes for about 1.5 miles to the sliding sands main trail, and then from there I believe it's 3.9 miles uphill
3 hours, 59
to the summit.
47 seconds. Distance 6.83 miles. Average speed 1.70 miles per hour.
Alright, if you heard Runkeeper Lady, that's 6.83 miles now. So it should be a little less than 5 to go. Let's see if it's 1.5. And then 3.9, that's what, 5.4. As I start the spur trail, starting to see quite a significant uphill climb now. I think I'm around 7,400 feet. Yep. So it's 2,300 vertical feet up to where my SUV is parked. So this may be where the going gets tough here. But if it's a gradual ascent like this over 5.4 miles, it shouldn't be too hellacious. I'd much rather have that kind of vertical gain over 5 miles and over, say, a mile and a half. 306 here on the spur trail. I had just ascended about 300 feet or so, but now heading back downhill, and it looks like a steep descent down into this crater valley, and then if you look across the valley you can see the trail climbing up beyond that cinder cone. Oh yeah. Spectacular scenery though. I'm just looking forward to getting to the next trail junction, because then I will be on the last trail in the 3.9 mile home stretch. I was not expecting to have a steep descent after starting that climb, which means I'm just gonna have to climb all this way again on the other side. But you know, could be worse of a day. Just incredible scenery. I just can't get over it. Every time you come around another corner, there's just like a whole new set of things to see.
Seconds. Distance 7.34 miles. Average speed 1.68 miles per hour.
All right, 7 1/3 miles now, so I'm really racking up the miles. Should have a little over 4 to go at this point. Once I get to that next trail junction, then I know that's marked as 3.9. .327. I'm coming up on the sliding sands trail junction, which is a big milestone because that will be the last trail on my adventure in Haleakala National Park today. Going through another crater that is just a lava wasteland. Nice big volcanic cinder cone there, and unfortunately you could see the sliding sands trail going up, over, up. It's probably going to be a pretty grueling 3.9 miles, but I'm pretty good on time. My schedule was to get to the junction ahead by 3:45 and then take a 15-minute rest before I start the climb up. So I should be in pretty good shape here. Scenery just continues to amaze, and just a kaleidoscope of colors here. And I have not seen another person in more than an hour now. It's so nice to have this solitude on an island jam-crammed with summer family vacationers. And here I am in this amazing place, and I have it all to myself. And you can just listen to the quiet and the soft blow of the wind.